All right, here we are back with the Cambridge Cooking Hour. So we're on to our next step, right, which is actually going to be frying frying our sliders. So first things first, right, we're going to be using a cast iron skillet to fry these sliders. You can use any type of deep skillet. You want to make it so you want a skillet that's at least about 6 to 10 inches wide, just so you can fit several patties on there. Also, you guys want to use a medium-high heat. So some of you guys have electric stoves, some of you guys have gas stoves. As long as you look in the medium-high range, you should be good to go. What you're looking for is you want the warmer, the hotter the pan, the quicker it's going to cook. Also, the hotter the pan, right? You got to worry about what's called your oil's flash point, right? So you have several different types of oils you can use to fry things with. A couple of you guys are familiar with Chick-fil-A. Chick-fil-A is famous for using peanut oil. You also have vegetable oil, canola oil, and olive oil, right? And what you want to do is you want to keep that heat at medium-high so that you do not reach what's called the oil's flash point. Oil's flash point is where the oil begins to smoke, similar to how I was doing now, which means I need to turn my pot down. Turn down just a little bit. So what happens is, the flash point, once the oil reaches the flash point, the molecules of oil break down and it causes a very unsafe cooking environment, right? So whenever you notice your pot smoking, similar to how mine is, you want to lower that temperature down like I just did, kind of wait for the steam to stop, then you can go ahead and start frying your burgers, right? So what we're going to do here, while I wait for my pan to cool down a little bit. So I have our 8 sliders. I'm only going to do 4 of these because that's what will fit in the pan. Just a quick side note. So you notice that remember we made patties that are about the size of the crossbar or tennis ball, right? You guys also notice you guys go to your favorite Italian restaurant. These are about the same size of like a hearty Italian meatball. The process to make them is a little bit different, but the size and structure of the dish is the same. So looks like our pot's ready to go now. Let's calm down a little bit. So we're going to do our 4 patties. What you're looking for is that immediate sizzle once it hits the oil. You want to be mindful of your temperature so that you don't get oil or grease spillage onto your stove. All right, remember you want to be careful with this because you're putting a cold item, putting it onto a hot pan. So here's our first one. I'm gonna take off my gloves so you guys can get a view of the sliders cooking. So what you have here is the slider just kind of sitting in the grease. You don't want to mess them. You don't want to press them down just yet. You want to cook them for about 3 minutes on each side. The first time we're cooking those, right, looking for that excellent coat on there. And what we're also looking for is just to make sure the patty gets done. For all beef items, you want to cook them to at least an internal temperature of 145 degrees. Again, you can see them popping, see the grease popping. So we're going to go ahead and take care of these. I'll be right back with you guys when they're done.